What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have here Gamdias Hermes E1B 4-in-1 gaming combo. Now you can pick up this combo for around $59, but keep in mind price does fluctuate. This combo comes with keyboard, mouse, headset and a mouse pad. So for $59, what are you really getting? Now starting with the keyboard, you are getting a full-size mechanical keyboard with Gamdias certified mechanical blue switches. Switches feels kinda mushy, response time is not all that fast like my HyperX Alloy FPS Pro, also not all that loud either. Here is quick test compared to my HyperX Alloy with Cherry MX Red switches. Now keep in mind HyperX Alloy goes for around $69, so that's not a fair comparison. Keyboard does come with multicolor backlight but not all that bright. You can also change the color or just turn the backlight off. Build quality is not all that bad. The keyboard is made out of aluminum and plastic, so it doesn't look cheap. Bottom of the keyboard you will find 4 rubber stands and also 2 adjustable stands so you can raise the height. Comes with long fixed USB cable but not braided. Also you get a free plastic key puller. Now let's check out the mouse and the mouse pad. Mouse does have multicolor lights but also not all that bright. You will find 5 buttons on the mouse, left click, right click, 2 programmable buttons on the left and a scroll wheel. Max DPI is around 3200, comes with a rubber coating on the top and plastic texture grip on both sides of the mouse, so while gaming you will have pretty good grip. Left and the right click feels okay compared to my Corsair Harpoon mouse. Now the mouse pad will get the job done. That's all I can say. Regular mouse pad made out of cloth and rubber. Because of the rubber bottom, mouse pad doesn't slide around. You will also find Gamdias logo and the branding on the mouse pad. USB cable is long enough but not braided. For the price, build quality doesn't feel all that bad. Last but not least, let's check out the gaming headset. Again, the multicolor light is not all that bright. But remember, you bowling on the budget. Wait a minute, hold on. I personally think this headset for the money looks good. All black, soft ear cups, adjustable headband, not so bad. Now this headset does come with 40mm driver, so the sound quality is good enough for gaming, and you do get a built-in microphone. Microphone is kinda short, but does get the job done. That's what she said. Left side of the headset you will find volume rocker. Yes, this headset does come with a long USB cable with a USB plug and 2 3.5mm jack, one for sound and one for microphone. Overall, for the price, I don't think this combo is bad for beginners, but if you are a pro gamer, stay away from this combo. There will be a link in the video description. Don't forget to check out. Also don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next one.